In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete recently viewed item on Vinted. By the end, you'll know exactly how to stop your recently viewed section from appearing on your Vinted homepage. So your browsing stays a little more private and your feed looks cleaner. Start by opening vinted.com in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your preferences. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner of the page for the profile icon. It usually shows your avatar or a generic person icon. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This is where all your account and site preferences live, and it's the place to control what Vinted shows you on your homepage. Inside Settings, find and click Privacy Settings. The privacy area is designed to help you manage what's visible to you and what the platform displays based on your activity. In Privacy Settings, look for the option labeled Allow Vinted to display my recently viewed items on my homepage. This is the switch that controls the recently viewed section. Turn this option off. If it's a toggle, it should move to the off position. If it's a checkbox, make sure it's unchecked. This won't delete your account or your search history. It simply stops the site from showing your recently viewed carousel on the homepage. Think of it as hiding that panel from your view. After you disable that option, head back to your homepage. You can use the Vinted logo at the top or your browser's back button. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh the page to make sure the change takes effect. Once you're back on the homepage, you should no longer see the recently viewed section. If it still appears, try a quick refresh or sign out and back in to prompt the page to reload your updated settings. A quick tip: if you're using the mobile app, the layout may look a little different, but the path is essentially the same. Profile, Settings, Privacy, then turn off the option to display recently viewed items. Also, remember that this change affects only what appears on your homepage. It doesn't impact your saved searches, notifications, or recommendations you've chosen to follow. That's it. You've successfully hidden your recently viewed items from your Vinted homepage, keeping your browsing a bit more discreet and your feed focused on what you actually want to see.